Hello, Namaste to all my loving children and respected parents. Myself, B.D. Belagi, retired from medical department as an accountant. Today, I want to teach you about English grammar. The English grammar is the heart of English. Nowadays, as present time, the English is compulsory useful for all my loving children. So, I will teach you about English grammar. There are three tenses of English, and their three tenses contains four kinds of each, as it is present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense contains four kinds, as it is present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Then I start first kind of present tense as I play football, she plays, he plays, they play. ही शी इट के साथ एस ई एस का प्रयोग होता है. आई व्यू वी दे के साथ एस ई एस का प्रयोग नहीं होता है. देन सेकंड काइंड ऑफ प्रेजेंट टेंस इज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस. In present continuous we use as are, is, am. is, am, are का प्रयोग मुख्य क्रिया के पहले होता है. as it is, I am going, she is going, Sita is going, they are going, he is going, etc. Then present perfect tense. In present perfect tense we use has, have before main verb के प्रयोग होता है. एंड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, क्रिया का तीसरा रूप प्रयोग में होता है. एज इट इज, आई हैव प्लेड फुटबॉल, शी हैज़ गॉन टू स्कूल, she has taken tea, Sita has taken her book. Then present perfect continuous. In present perfect continuous tense we use as it is, has been और हैव बीन का प्रयोग मुख्य क्रिया पहले किया जाता है और आईएनजी का प्रयोग होता है. फार एंड सिंस का प्रयोग होता है. फार अनिश्चितता के लिए और सिंस निश्चितता के लिए प्रयोग होता है. एज इट इज, आई हैव बीन प्लेइंग फुटबॉल फॉर 2 hours. सीता is singing a song since 2 o'clock. Ram has been going to farm since 4 o'clock. The present tense is completed. Then past tense, past indefinite, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. as it is. I went to school. She went to school. They went to school. They played football. They took tea. It's past indefinite. Then past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, was, were used. First, I was going to school. She was playing to football. Sita was going to house. It's completed past continuous tense. Now past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, had before main verb, and main verb is used as third form as it is. I had gone to school. They had gone to school. Ram had gone to school. Piyu had gone to school. Avi had played football. Now past perfect continuous. Had been गोइंग का प्रयोग आईएनजी सहायक क्रिया में लगती है और फार और सिंस का प्रयोग होता है. आई हैड बीन गोइंग टू प्ले ग्राउंड फॉर 2 hours. सीता हैड गॉन बीइंग टू प्ले ग्राउंड फॉर क्रिकेट सिंस 2 o'clock. They had been going to farmhouse for 2 o'clock. It's past tense completed. Now future tense. Future indefinite, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense as it is. I will go. She will go. They will go. Ram will go. Now future continuous. I will go to school. She will go to school. They will go to school. Then future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Have has का प्रयोग. I have gone to. I will go to. I will have gone to school. They will have gone to school. Sita will have gone to house. Then future perfect continuous. In future perfect continuous, I will have been going to school since 2 o'clock. Sita will have been going to her house since 2 o'clock. They will going to being singing a song for 2 hours. Thank you. A lot of thanks to you. Thank you.